I got this feeling inside my brains. It goes electric wavy when I make them A's. All through 4th grade, all through my school, we're flying up no ceiling when we're in our zone. I've got that sunshine in my pocket, looking forward to a good day. I feel I can do everything when I try. I can't stop myself from learning, moving up academically. Room unlock the way we rock it, so don't stop.
Hello students and welcome back. So yesterday we were learning about how to add whole numbers, and now today we're going to be learning about how to subtract numbers, okay? Let's get started. But before we do that, let's watch this video on how to do that so that we can refresh our minds, okay? So I'm going to play this video and I want you to pay attention carefully, okay?
Hands were hanging in their chicken pen. 11 of them suddenly jumped over the fence. How many hands remain in the pen? To figure out the difference when you subtraction, I say 0 minus 1 can't be done, cause the top number's smaller than the bottom one. So we regroup a 10 into 10 ones. When the top number's smaller in subtraction, I say 0 minus 1 can't be done, cause the top number's smaller than the bottom one. So we regroup a 10 into 10 ones.
See, they borrowed, okay? They had to go to the neighbor and borrow.
19 hands remain in the pad.
There are 20 bumblebees flying around me. So I yell, shoot, and two decide to leave. Now how many bumblebees are chasing me? If we regroup, we can find the difference with ease. 0 minus 2, here's what to do, cause the 0 is smaller than the 2. So we regroup a 10 into 10.
Your neighbor, knock. Can I borrow a 10? Can I borrow some sugar? Yes, you may. Can't subtract that. Go to your neighbor, knock. Can I borrow a 10? Can I borrow some sugar? Yes, you may. And you are blessed, okay? There we go. See? There we go. Now you can subtract. Alright, that's what we're looking for. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at our notes, okay? So looking at our notes, okay, remember today we're going to be learning how to subtract whole numbers, okay? So we got to look at step by step, alright? So let's look at step 1. What does step 1 say? Step 1 says line up numbers according to place value. Is that what we did yesterday? Yes, we did. Guess what? We're still doing that today because that's how we subtract. That's how we add. We line up everything, making sure everything's in its correct place value. If you don't, you're gonna get it wrong. And I don't want you to get it wrong, okay? You're a 4th grader now. We do things correctly. Let's get started, okay? So, here I have 25,000, excuse me, 25,843. I'm gonna subtract that by 4,000 by 4,702, okay? So I'm gonna subtract 25,843 minus 4,702, okay? So step 1 says line up everything according to its place value. That's what we're gonna do, okay? So let's see if I did that, okay? So I'm drawing my lines, making sure everything is lined up, okay? So here we have the what? The ones, good. Okay. Here we have the tens, okay? Next, which is what? Good, hundreds. Okay. Next, we have the thousands. Good job. Look at you go. And the last one after thousands is what? Yes, that is correct. Good job. 10,000s. Okay. So, looking at this, did I line up everything correctly? Yes, I did. Okay. And that's what I want you to start doing, okay? Make sure you do everything neatly, okay? If you do things neatly and your work is good, you will get the correct answer. And that is a 4th grade guarantee, okay? So let's do this. So step 2. Step 2 says fill in the zeros as a placeholder if needed, okay? We're not working with decimals right now, or we don't need fillers right now, so we're gonna leave that out, okay? Step 3, what does it say? Solve. Start with the lowest place value on the right side. Let's look at this again. Am I gonna start on the 10,000 side, or am I gonna start on the 1 side? On the 1 side, okay? Good, I'm gonna start on the 1 side. So, let's start subtracting, okay? 3 minus 2. 3 cookies, $3, whatever you want to do. I have $3, subtract 2. What is that? 1. Good, okay? Next, I have $4 minus 0. Okay, what is that? Correct, 4. Okay. Next, I have 8 minus 7. Okay, what am I going to do with that? Good, 1. Okay. And the next one is 5 minus 4. What am I going to do with that? What number is that? Good, 1. And the last one, I just got to bring it down, okay? So what is, don't forget the comma, don't forget the comma. So what is my number? Go ahead and read this number out loud for me. Yes, 21,141. Good. So let's do another one where I have to actually regroup, okay? So this is good. Okay, let me just do another one. Let me do the same kind of numbers, okay? Okay, so 25,843 minus 6,921. Okay, so let's do this, okay? Everything is in its correct place value. 3 minus 1, what is that? Okay, good. Keep going. 4 minus 2. Good. 8 minus 9. If I have $8, can you take away 9 from me? No, because I don't have enough to give you. Okay? So what I gotta do? Go to my neighbor. Hey neighbor, can I borrow a 10? Your neighbor's gonna say, yes, here you go. Okay? So you took it away from your neighbor because they gave it to you. Okay, 5 turns into 4. And now 8 turns into 18. Okay? 18 minus 9 is what? Can you subtract that now? Yes, you can. So what is that? 9. Good. 4 minus 6. I have 4 fingers right in front of me. Can you take away 6? No, because I only have 4 fingers. How can you take away 6? Okay? So, let's do this again. Go to your neighbor. Hey neighbor, can I borrow a 10? Your neighbor's gonna say what? Yes. Okay? So 2 turns into 1. And now 4 turns into 14. Okay? So can I subtract 14 from 6? Yes, you can. I have enough fingers now. Alright? So what is that? 14 minus 6 is 8. Good job. And now bring down the 1 because there's nothing to subtract by. Okay? Don't forget the comma. Alright? So what is my new answer? Good. 18,922. Alright? Let's go to our last step. What does that say? That says that we have to check, okay? Bring down the decimal, but we don't have a decimal because we're not dealing with that yet. But it says to check, okay? Now, if I'm separating something, okay, what is the opposite of that? Joining. Good. So that means I'm going to do what? I'm gonna add. Good. Alright, so let's go ahead and add this up. Okay? So remember, when I'm adding to check to make sure I'm checking my answer, it's gonna be my answer. Okay? Plus the smallest number, which is 6,921. And that should give me my big number up here, okay? Let's check to see if we did this correct. Because you're a 4th grader now. And 4th graders do things on their own now. So let's check. Okay? First, did I line up everything correctly to its place value? Yes, I did. Because I was taught by Mr. Reels, and Mr. Reels taught me well. Alright? So, let's get started. 2 plus 1. Good. 2 plus 2. Good. 9 plus 9. Good. But remember, can I add 2 digits in one place value? Good. No, I don't. No, I can't. But guess what? I'm gonna bless my neighbor with a 10, okay? So that means the 8 stays here, and that means I added 1 to that next place value, okay? 8 plus 1 plus 6. But remember, do things slowly, okay? Do things one at a time. So, 8 plus 1, good, 9. Now, plus 6, good, 15, okay? And like we said, we can't have 2 digits in one place value. So that other 10 goes where? To our neighbor side, good. So that means we're gonna bless them with a 10, right? 15 plus 1, right? So 1 plus 1, 2, good. So don't forget the comma, good. So now, what's my number? 25,843. Is this the same number? Is it up here? Yes, it is. So does that mean we did it right? Yes, we did, okay? That is the end of our lesson. Good job. I am so proud of you because you are learning how to become a 4th grader every day. Good job, okay? So tomorrow we're going to be learning about adding decimals, okay? Ugh. Don't worry. We know what to do, okay? So let's learn about decimals tomorrow, and then the next day, subtracting decimal, okay? And then by the end of this week, you will know what to do when you're in the grocery store, how to count your money and everything, okay? I hope you have a great day. Bye.